Hello, welcome back to NCG Max. So today we are looking at one logical problem. If x belongs to real numbers, square root of 2 plus root x whole power x plus square root of 2 minus root x whole power x equal to 2, then find the value of x. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. More than 900 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here, how to solve this problem. So first of all, given root of 2 plus root 3 whole to the power of x plus root of 2 minus root 3 whole to the power of x is equal to 2. So here, if you rationalize this value, 2 minus root 3, if you rationalize this with 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3, now here you are applying the formula a plus b into a minus b in the numerator. So here you will get a square minus b square. So here 2 square minus root 3 whole square by 2 plus root 3. So here we will get 4 minus 3 by 2 plus root 3. So this can be written as 1 by 2 plus root 3. Now the value of square root of the value of 2 minus root 3 is 1 by 2 plus root 3. Now I replace that value in the given equation. Square root of 2 plus root 3 whole to the power of x plus 1 by square root of 2 plus root 3 whole to the power of x is equal to 2. Now here we are applying the formula a power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. You are applying this formula in reverse. So this can be written as root of 2 plus root x whole power x plus 1 to the power of x is 1 only, 1 by square root of 2 plus root 3 whole to the power of x is equal to 2. Now our target is x value. So let us take square root of 2 plus root 3 whole to the power of x is equal to y. Then you will get y plus 1 by y is equal to 2. If you take LCM, y square minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So this can be written as y minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So here you can write it as y minus 1 equal to 0. Y value is 1 now. Now if y value is 1, here I am doing a square root of 2 plus root 3 whole to the power of x is equal to 1. So this can be written as square root of 2 plus root 3 whole to the power of x is equal to square root of 2 plus root 3 whole to the power of 0. So here the bases are equal, the powers must be equal. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 0. So, I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.